Okay, guys, this is Farid again. We are live, and let me try to set up. So, we are trying to short now platinum, and let me turn on because unfortunately, Facebook you have to turn on manually. So, you can see the limits. It's platinum is PLS the symbol, and 1 unit is big. So, just start with 1 unit if you think so, and sometimes you are struggling with managing the trade as well as managing the live stream, but I try to do as I try to Alhamdulillah commit peak bill. So we are in a $330 profit. Alhamdulillah, our stop loss is at 2308, which is about $1,100, 3 units. So if 1 unit platinum is slash PL futures, so this will be about $400. So you start with MPL, that will be like a micro unit. If you want to start with $1,500 loss, on a one loss, it will be like a 400 loss, and on a higher side, it's a kind of 1:2 risk reward. So the similar geometry, we are trying to enter retracement, and I see a order block on the tape here, and that order block is big. But again, the thing is, you can actually enter with 1 unit as you feel right, and we are playing between the order block. So there are multiple order blocks on, you see the top side of it. Let me try to show you some stuff here. So there has been multiple big order blocks here, that's why this has come twice. And then there has been multiple break of structures. You see there was a retracement, and there was a strong retracement. This momentum fell down. You see the trend line got broke here, and then it came back once to take your stop losses. So those who entered here were stopped out. Those who entered here were stopped out. Those who entered here were stopped out. So people have been stopped in this order three times. Three times. If they can stop retailers, that's a big fishing. So think like Wall Street. They wanted to blow your money. And then you see this big wick, looks like now they are trying to squeeze. But for those retailers who are here, who are in the fourth zone, entered, either this might fall or this might also try to take your stop loss. But we are trying to slightly stay ahead, but then our stop loss margin increases to $1,200, but our profit target is, so hopefully we are assuming that, you know and I'm trying to also teach the logic on the live trade, why I enter most of the times as time allows. But see, it's again now going against our favor, but we were in 200 $330 profit, but I'm not closing the trade because if you do a lot of to and fro, you lose money, and that's the most dangerous thing. They want you to lose money paying the futures fees so that brokers can make money, and you're restless. When you become restless, you lose control. So don't become restless. Start with small position size, and inshallah, you'll be able to make it work for you. While I'm talking to you guys, I also need to. So, how many of you are in the order? Give me thumbs up here. And on Restream, I cannot see comments, but if anybody would like, share your experiences. I know many people say, but we try to find setups, but I try to become online live 1 or 2 times between 10 a.m. Central Time America and 3 p.m. Central Time, which is when the US future market closes. So It's going against us, but we are still in the trade because we feel they have stopped out retailers 3 times, and hopefully they might get some liquidity and might fall. Okay, so keep on watching live trade. And again, no guarantees. I can also blow my money, and it's live money at stake. So you have control when you enter. You don't have control when you are in the trade. So enter with small position. Okay, that's the wise man thing. Because from this point to this point, we were profitable, but I did not want it to close here because this was no risk reward on a $1,200 risk reward. If I take $300 profit and go out, this was not very efficient trading. Let's see the momentum right now. It's sharp. It's a sharp. What do you call?
Order field.
Oh my god, we lost this order. This was a big candle. Oh, but like we discussed initially, remember they came fourth time to took that trade, and now they will fell down. But this has been a so big candle. So retailers were stopped out fourth time, and the problem with futures is you cannot keep yourself without stop losses, because if you do and you lose big. So this was a bad aggressive move which took the profits of last trade as well. You see how big it is. That's bad. But oh my god, $1,200 gone for today. So I was at 1,600 profit. But you see how crazy the candle was, and they will make it fill down. But so sometimes you might go wrong, right? And this is live, no manipulations, not only showing the positive side of the game. This is the difference between live trading and just giving the signals. Uh, so we right till this point, we were $300 profitable, and we were looking forward to make it 1:2 risk reward, and it will fall down. It will fall down, but I was not expecting that after making retailers lose money 3 times, it will go back 4 times. There was an intention which I already showed you. Remember, there could be a big spike, but sometimes you feel, oh, if the spike does not happen and I did not take the setup, then so then you kind of risk yourself. But no problem. Inshallah, we'll make it again. Lord's grace. So good luck, guys. This was the second. We lost the second trade on platinum, but keep posted with us. Okay. Take care.